SocialProfit app review demo and $2,895 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my SocialProfit app review. One of the last reviews I'm going to make this year. Not many more product launches going on, but this is the one that I wanted to review for you. I'm actually going to the gym right now, but I really wanted to get this out to you before it actually goes live so you can check it out. In a nutshell, it will allow you to make money with super simple images posted to social media. Your affiliate link is attached to them and a full post will be attached to it as well. So this way you're going to be generating tons of free viral traffic and you can start making money with this immediately. You will see results instantly after posting an image, and obviously you can do this in under a minute and you can do this over and over and over again, and obviously this works in any niche as well. So as always, I'm going to show you the sales page inside of the members area. We're going to go through all of the upsells, and I have a huge almost $3,000 bonus, including software products, including WSO of the Day awarded products, and including some custom bonuses. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into this SocialProfit app review. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just went to Fiverr and I did a quick search for social media posts. So in a nutshell, if you would like to buy these kind of images for social media, you would have to pay anywhere from $5 to $15. As you can see, people are actually buying these. $15 here, 47 gigs sold. We have 5, we have 15 again, 10. So anywhere from $5 to $15 for these images. And keep in mind, these are only the images, nothing else. And if you want to do nothing else but just create these images for other people, you can do that as well. And obviously I'm going to give you some custom bonuses showing you how to deliver these Fiverr gigs. So this is on the side, we can make some extra money, a few $100 extra per month with SocialProfit app. But the main thing is obviously generating free viral traffic. So this is the sales page, and as you can see, it says SocialProfit app, the ultimate 2020 ready new one-click traffic solution. Push one button to instantly activate viral magnets that get you free traffic in the next 51 seconds. Finally, get free buyer traffic, leads, and sales at lightning speed. So scrolling down here, obviously you can go through all of this in your own time. These guys have some proof behind it. Billy, Justin, and Dip John, these are the three guys behind this product. Obviously these guys have tons of proof. They have tons of successful students. As you can see, this is the kind of money that you can make obviously with viral traffic. SocialProfit app, that's the name of this new product. And these guys will have some bonuses obviously right here on the sales page, and I'm going to give you my bonuses on top of whatever they are offering. So some testimonials, as always, 30 days money back guarantee, and that's essentially it. And the price, as you see, will be $20.59, discounted from $47, and this price will be going up every 60 minutes, I believe. Okay, so this is the early bird price, but we're going to talk about pricing a little bit later. Right now, let me show you the inside of the members area. Now, this is how it looks like. Obviously, I'm gonna have a full demo for you guys, as always, both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. So the video that I will upload after this one will be the demo video showing you exactly all the features on how to create a campaign from scratch and everything else. Right now I just wanted to show you the key features, and obviously if you're watching on my blog, the video right below this one is the demo video. So we can access the dashboard right here. We can create the campaign, we can access your campaigns, we have the app settings, then we have the training and all of the upgrades as well. So first of all, let me show you the video training. And this is super easy, just a couple of videos, because this software is super easy to use. All you have to do is just pick an image from a library of images that you can use royalty free, so you don't have to pay for this, and you don't have to worry about getting in trouble with Google or with some company that will charge you for posting their image. These images are royalty free. You can use them, you can edit them, and you can obviously add a post to them and also your affiliate link. So that's how you generate traffic with this. So we have the first video, a Facebook app setting, because these will be automatically posted for you on social media. Okay, so you don't have to create these, then go to Facebook, then do all the work. All of this will be done from within the software. Okay, and then we have the clickable link, post and share. So The other advantage about this is people will be actually able to click on the image and go directly to your affiliate link. Okay, so normally if you would want to do this manually, it is not possible on Facebook because when people click on the image, they will just make the image larger and then they have the link in the text, right? So with this piece of software, people can actually click on the image and go directly to the affiliate offer or whatever else page you want to send them to. This can be a landing page, it can be your blog, a CPA offer, your e-com store, or anything else. Okay, so this is another upside of using this app. And going back right here, let me just click on create a campaign and let me show you how to do this. So we're gonna just create a campaign name. Then we're gonna go to my campaigns, and as you can see, we have some campaigns already right here. We can continue right here, we can delete it. So I just clicked on continue, and as you can see, you got the campaign name, URL to embed, the post title, post description. You can translate the text if you want to, and you can also use hashtags. Like using hashtags will just generate more traffic for you. So that's essentially it. After this part is ready, all you click is just publish and you are done. Now let me just show you the app settings. Obviously gonna have to connect your Facebook to it, and with the OTOs you'll be able to use some additional social media as well. Clicking on the Facebook mastermind group, obviously gonna be able to add yourself to this SocialProfit app forum. You can ask questions, you can interact with our users, you can share your experiences, etc. And going back to the dashboard here, as you can see, we have all the traffic. So we have total hits, total campaigns, total posts, post history, we have the monthly grow, we have location based hit stats, we have hits all over the world, so all the stats you need. Now again, I'm not going to actually create a full campaign from scratch right here, but the full demo will show you exactly how to do this and exactly how easy this is. Okay, so and actually the price is $17.95, so the early bird price will be $17.95. After that, the price will be going significantly up every single hour, and then we have some upsells. So upsell number 1, $39, upsell number 2, $47, upsell number 3, $197, upsell number 4, $39 again, and upsell number 5, $197. Now, if you want all the information, you have it right here on my blog, including the bonuses and including a full funnel breakdown. Now, everything I just showed you is included in the main product. So again, that will be $17.95. Then upsell number 1, this is the unlimited edition. So in this upgrade, a part of the unlimited edition, you will get additional training on how to make as much as 4 figures with the software, and then you're going to be unlocking unlimited Facebook posts, Twitter posts, and LinkedIn posts, and obviously unlimited number of accounts. So this is the additional social media accounts that I was telling you about. That's $39. Obviously this is optional. Upsell number 2, we got the automation edition, $39, and in this upgrade you will unlock the automation module, which means that you can experience autopilot traffic. Now again, this is something optional. OTO number 3, we get done for you edition. So in this upgrade you're gonna get done for you traffic, done for you sales, done for you campaigns, and a bunch of done for you material. So that's $197. Then we have SocialProfit app upsell number 4, resellers edition. So normally a reseller's license to a product like this would be anywhere from $97 to $297, but these guys are actually giving it away for $39. So super low price, and obviously with it you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. So if you're just gonna make one sale of any OTO, you will essentially make your money back and then some. So that's OTO number 4, and the last OTO, SocialProfit app. Upsell number 5, we got luxury edition, $197, and this is an individual custom funnel setup. So these guys will actually have someone, a physical person, logging into your accounts and setting all of this up for you. So they will set this up on your hosting, and they will do a complete setup, including autoresponder, including squeeze pages, including follow-up emails. You're gonna get additional traffic tutorials, so you're gonna have an actual person, an actual VA, virtual assistant, to do this for you, and that's $197 as well. So guys, OTOs, all of the upsells are always optional. You'll be fine with the Social Profit app alone. Everything that I showed you in this video is included in the main product, but obviously if you want to make your life a little bit easier, then you can pick one of these OTOs up. Now, let me show you all of my bonuses, because obviously, as I mentioned in the beginning, I have some amazing bonuses that I will give away for free to you just as a thank you for picking up Social Profit app through my link. And as you can see, Social Profit app will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on December 19th. Now, keep in mind, if you're watching on YouTube and you want to click on the first link in the description to pick it up, the link will only start working after it goes live, so after 11 a.m. Eastern on December 19th. And if you're watching on YouTube and you're gonna click on the second link in the description, this will take you to my blog right here, where you have all the information. And if you want to pick it up right here from my blog, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links. Now, the first three bonuses are custom made bonuses by myself. These are additional traffic sources, okay? So obviously you're gonna get tons of traffic with Social Profit app, but if you want even more traffic to your posts, then I created these free custom made bonuses. And this is something that will just scale up your profits with this product, okay? Then I'm going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my own products. So this is worth $500 on its own, and you're gonna get a reseller's license to Instavit, Traffic Trapper 2.0, and Traffic Extractor Ultimate. I'm also going to give you a super useful bonus, my Buyers List Ninja course. Now, this is everything you need to know about creating a buyer's list, the most powerful list that you can create, because obviously a buyer's list will be generating you tons of money comparing to any other list, like a freebie list or a giveaway list or anything else similar. Okay, so super useful, especially with this product. Then I'm also going to give you, Blaze, my case study on how to generate traffic from Facebook groups in the tone of $400 per day. And I'm also going to give you some additional traffic software products. Okay, so you're gonna get push button traffic 3.0, you're gonna get auto affiliate machine 2.0, you're gonna get viral commission machine, you're gonna get super affiliate class, you're gonna get $100 daily, that's a W's of the Day awarded course, 3-minute commissions, $171 daily, copy profit case study, the fastest way to $169, tube commission loophole, Flip Me, tube traffic avalanche, and a case study on getting free traffic. Now, I'm not done, because I'm also going to give you 9 plugins and software products, and you're going to get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Text, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar plugin, and Short Code Call to Action. Now, on top of all this, you're going to get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. Now, if you'll add all of this up, this will bring it up to a total of $2,895. And again, you're gonna get all of this for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up Social Profit app through my link. Now guys, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so if you like to read through it, please do. And this will include a little sum up right here. So just to sum up the Social Profit review, you're gonna get results with this in under 60 seconds, because this is how long it takes to actually start creating these social media posts. You're gonna get viral free traffic. This can be used to promote any affiliate marketing offer or any other offer for that matter. Comes with complete video training, is done for you, it saves you hours of time, and it's all professionally looking, and it boosts conversions. Now again guys, check out my full written review, check out all of the bonuses if you want to take a closer look. And before we go, I wanted to show you how to claim my bonus after you'll decide to pick up Social Profit app through my link. So as you can see, I'm logged in right here on JVZoo. Just click on looking for your purchases button right here on the top right corner, and this will bring it up to a new page showing you all of your purchases. Now, all you have to do is just find the purchase that you got through my link, click on it, click on view details, and then you will be able to download my bonus right here. So as you can see, you'll be able to access your bonus right here, right below this green button saying access your purchase. So this is how you claim my bonus. And guys, I really like this product. Now again, this is probably one of the last products this year that I'm going to review for you guys. And if you want to make some money until the end of the year, this is the one, because again, this works in seconds. So there's no complicated setups. This is something that you can really put into action and start seeing results the same day. So you don't have to wait for days or weeks or even months for results. You can do this today and see results today, and maybe even make a few sales today, okay? And then it's easy to scale up, because obviously all you need is 51 seconds per post, so you can just keep on posting these images to the different social media, different groups, and etc. Okay, so I really wish you luck with this. I'm gonna hit the gym right now. If you have any questions, as always, please leave me a comment on YouTube. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.